So if you guys remember, I was gonna build these headlights. Never really got around to it. I probably still won't get around to it because I don't really have the time to build these. So we're gonna show you guys how to smoke your lenses on here. You know, people buy the headlights with already smoked lenses, so it gives it a good black look to your headlight. We're gonna show you guys how to do that today. So basically, you're gonna need your lenses from your headlights and some clear gloss. Pretty much all you're gonna need is really a two-step process. Pretty simple. These should turn out pretty dang good, I think. So we're gonna go ahead and take a trip down to Mexico real quick because things may get a little smoky and a little rowdy, so I don't want my neighbors to get pretty mad at me. So we're gonna go down to Mexico and do this project. Damn, I ain't been going. We just crossed over the border into Mexico. Let's start tinting these headlights. So we found a spot here in Mexico where we can smoke tint these headlights. So all you're gonna need basically is a two-step process, maybe a little bit more than two steps. So what I'm thinking to get this to work is I'm gonna have to spray these lenses down first with some clear coat. And as they're still wet, may I mind you, this technique is only capable with a diesel truck. So the way that we're going to smoke these headlights is spray this down, get a good coat, and as it's wet, we're going to roll some coal on it to get a good smoked look. And then after, we'll hit it with some clear coat again. So let's go ahead and spray these down, get them nice and wet, and then we'll go ahead and smoke them. The smoke looks pretty good. We're gonna paint the other one. And we're gonna do the same exact thing. There we go. I'm getting some smoked headlights in. Smoked headlights. We're gonna go ahead and spray this shit with some more clear coat and see how they turned out. Light coat of clear coat. You don't want this shit too thick. I think those look pretty dang good, if I say so myself. Not sure how this shit was gonna turn out, but that shit looks pretty good. It's hella fucking warm and shit from the fucking exhaust. But let these motherfuckers dry. I am not quite sure that this worked because I can touch a spot on here that got the soot and the spray paint and it still comes off. That's what I originally thought. Yeah, the soot is coming off actually. So this may be a one-time use. If you guys were looking to tint your headlights for some like truck show or something, this would be a perfect easy way to tint your headlights. So we got the headlight housing and the lens. I do believe these will actually clip in. So we're going and clipping it in. Clipping it in. Oh yeah, I just ruined that side. So, got it pretty much all the way on. And there's your DIY smoked headlight. You can do this for tail lights, you can do this for third brake lights, any type of light. Maybe your bedroom needs some smoked lights. Maybe your bathroom needs some ambiance with some smoked lights in there. Go ahead and hit that shit with some soot from your diesel truck. Pretty cool idea. Let me know if you guys actually do this. Let me know how it turns out. This is how it turned out for me. Let me do the other one real quick. Show you guys again. Get that headlight in. Get that headlight housing. It's kind of hard on that fucking round bucket. Headlight housing. There it is, guys. Think they came out pretty good. Here, let me test something real quick. Huh? Kind of stays. Maybe if you just let them dry for a little bit, put a couple more coats on there, it should stay. So DIY smoked headlights, I'd call that a success if you just let it dry a little bit more. And yeah, purely made just by rolling coal, which we all know you guys watching this video are rolling coal. So just go get your headlights, take the lenses off, have your friend stand up there with the headlight lenses to the exhaust, and you too yourself can make some smoked headlights. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya. Dude, I can't believe this actually fucking worked. People are gonna be leaving such fucking hate comments on this fucking video. You think so? It actually came out pretty fucking good though. I know some people are gonna fucking try it. I just fucking know it, dude. It actually came out pretty fucking good, I'd say myself. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it came out pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy!